Imagine stepping into your backyard at night and being greeted by a warm, inviting glow that highlights every detail of your outdoor space. Whether it's for aesthetics, safety, or functionality, landscape lighting design can completely transform your outdoor areas. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about landscape lighting systems so you can create the perfect ambiance for your home. Let's dive in. First things first, what exactly is landscape lighting? It's not just about sticking a few lights in the ground. Landscape lighting is an art that combines design, placement, and functionality. The main goals? Highlighting architectural features, illuminating pathways, and creating a mood that enhances your outdoor living experience. You'll hear terms like uplighting, downlighting, and accent lighting. Don't worry, we'll cover these in more detail later. There are several types of lighting systems, but let's focus on the most popular ones. Solar lighting, eco-friendly, and easy to install but dependent on sunlight. Low voltage lighting, energy efficient, safe, and perfect for homeowners looking for flexibility. LED lighting, long-lasting and customizable, making it a top choice for modern setups. Each system has its pros and cons, so choosing the right one depends on your needs, budget, and style. Now comes the fun part, designing your lighting layout. A good design balances aesthetics and functionality. Start by identifying focal points like trees, water features, or architectural elements. Then consider practical needs, such as lighting paths, steps, and dark corners for safety. Remember, less is often more. Subtle lighting creates a sophisticated look without overwhelming your space. Not sure where to start? Check out the link in the description to find talented freelancers who can help you design a landscape lighting system tailored to your space. While hiring a professional can save you time, some systems like low-voltage lighting are DIY friendly. Here are a few tips. Always map out your design and double-check measurements. Use waterproof connectors to ensure durability. Test your lights before final installation to make adjustments as needed. Maintenance is just as important. Clean lenses regularly and replace burnout bulbs promptly to keep your system looking its best. Incorporating smart technology takes your landscape lighting to the next level. Smart lights allow you to control brightness, set schedules, and even change colors from your phone. It's an easy way to customize your lighting for any occasion, whether it's a cozy night at home or a lively backyard party. Landscape lighting is more than just a practical addition to your home. It's an investment in beauty, safety, and functionality. Whether you're planning a small upgrade or a complete outdoor transformation, the right lighting system can make all the difference. Don't forget to click the link in the description to find expert designers who can bring your vision to life. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips on home and outdoor design. See you next time.